Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your NVIDIA graphics card if it's not detected in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that it is properly seated, okay? Make sure that you see the fan running once you boot up your computer. Now, if it's not properly seated, turn off your computer, unplug it, and plug it back in to its PCIe port. Once that's done, make sure that the connection of the cables is intact. Okay, again, intact. Once that's done, go ahead and boot up your computer and check if it helps. And if that still will work, go ahead over to your start menu right here, right click on it and click on device manager. Now you gotta find display adapters. If you can't see your NVIDIA graphics card right here, click on actions and then just click on scan for hardware changes. Okay, wait a bit. Now if you can see it, well, that's good. If not, click on view. Click on show hidden devices and you should now be able to see NVIDIA graphics card. Okay, so right click on it and click on update. Now click on search automatically for driver updates. If it says the best drivers for your device is already installed, click on search for update drivers on Windows Update. And in here, make sure that you install all available updates, okay? And then once that's installed, go ahead over to advanced options and click on optional updates. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you'll be able to see a list of available updates here as well. So make sure that you install it all, okay, as all of your device drivers will be available right here. And then once everything is installed, go ahead and restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. And if that still will work, well, if you don't have it yet, okay, the NVIDIA app, just like this one right here, make sure that you download it, okay? And if you already have it, just reinstall it, all right? Now, to download the NVIDIA app, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and find NVIDIA drivers. Hit on enter and just click on the link from NVIDIA right here that says download the official NVIDIA drivers. Click on it. Now, maximize this one, scroll up, and you will see best for gamers and creators right here. So just click on it and click on download. Now, once the download is done, just basically follow a simple prompt. And once done, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix the NVIDIA graphics card if it's not detected in Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.